Hi everyone, it's David from Arizona Science Center. I hope you're having a great day so far. As you can see, it's 12:30, so it's another Facebook Live here on our website or on our Facebook page. And there's no one in the room right now, so I'm actually gonna take off my mask, because once again, I'm in here all alone, and I have something really cool for you all today. In the comments or in the description, I asked a question, what is matter? And today, we're gonna explore that concept right now. So, what I need is a face mask because I'm gonna be handling something today that could be very bad if I got it on my skin. So I have this face shield right here to protect me, but first, I've been running around all day today and I need some water. But this water is it's hot. It's not cold at all. So do you know of any way that I can make this water really cold? Well, if you said ice, you are correct. And actually, I have some right here. So let me grab some out of my container. And I'll put it on this pie tin right here so you can see it. Now, this ice, as you can see, is a solid. Now, since we're talking about matter, we have to talk about the three main states of matter. Can you tell me what they are? Go ahead and leave a comment down below and I can see if you're right or if you need some more work. I'll give you a hint. Ice right here is known as a solid. And the water inside of my water bottle is a liquid. Now, there's one more main state of matter. Can you tell me what that is? Well, if you said gas, that is correct. Now, when it comes to water, water can be a solid like ice. It could be a liquid like the liquid in my water bottle, or it can be a gas, and we call that gas as water steam. So if you've ever boiled a pot of water before, or you've been trying to make some pasta, then you can see when it gets really, really, really hot, then there's gonna be some gas that starts coming out of the pot. And that's water turning into steam. That's through a process called evaporation. Now, today I have some liquid nitrogen right here. Now, inside of here is something that's very, very, very cold. And I just asked, what is liquid nitrogen? But specifically, is liquid nitrogen a gas, a liquid, or a solid? Now, liquid nitrogen is liquid. And I'm gonna pour some into this flask right now, and I want you to make some observations. So let me make sure that I'm wearing proper personal protective equipment. I have my gloves right here. I have on a lab coat, as you can see, and my face shield. So I'm gonna flip this down and then pour some liquid nitrogen into this flask and tell me what you see. All right, so I have some liquid nitrogen right here. Can you see that on screen? Make some observations for me. What do you see? So I see that there is gas coming out of the top. There's some liquid inside and it looks like it's bubbling. But you can also see the glass. It's starting to frost over. Do you think it's really hot or really cold? Well, if you said it's really cold, you'd be correct. Liquid nitrogen is incredibly cold. It's as cold as negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's even colder than the coldest day in Antarctica. Now, heat, or well, I should say temperatures, when you increase the temperature or decrease the temperature, that can change the state of matter. So we have, again, our ice right here, and as you can see, since it's pretty warm in here, this ice is starting to turn. Let me see if I can angle this down a little bit. This ice is starting to turn to a liquid. So it's no longer becoming a solid. And over time, it's going to become a liquid. Now, liquid nitrogen can also do this because inside of here, it's liquid. But as you saw in my flask, it became a gas. And that's because the temperature in our atmosphere right now, even though we think it's maybe about 78 degrees inside, or if you're outside today, maybe closer to 110 or 111 degrees, that is incredibly hot to liquid nitrogen, even if it's 78 degrees inside. Because like I said, liquid nitrogen needs to be a liquid at negative 321 degrees. If it's just 1 degree warmer, then it's going to heat up and it's going to change its state of matter. Remember, matter is stuff that takes up space, and we can see it all around us. So whether it's a liquid, a solid, or a gas, it's all matter. So let me show you, maybe you can see it a little bit clearer. I'm gonna pour some more liquid nitrogen into a bigger flask. And hopefully you can see this liquid turn into a gas more easily. So as you can see, there's liquid inside and gas is coming out the top of our flask. But I actually have something that's going to make this gas be really focused and shoot up out of our flask. I'm gonna create something called a geyser. So what I need is everything in here, the liquid nitrogen, the flask, I need a rubber stopper and a metal straw. So let's put this on and let's see what happens. All right, everyone, are you ready? In 3, 2, and 1. Could you all see that? That was our liquid nitrogen going from a liquid to a gas. Now, nitrogen is in our atmosphere. There's a lot of nitrogen in our atmosphere. So it's okay if there was more gas that just went into our atmosphere today. But anyways, everyone, I hope that you had a great time learning about matter, what it is, the 3 states of matter, and how temperature and heat can change states of matter. Have a great day, and I'll see you all later.